Hey everyone, in this video we are going to find out which batsmen have the most runs as an uncapped Indian player in IPL history, and we'll also try to analyze which IPL franchise is best for grooming the young uncapped Indian batsman. But before starting, please consider subscribing this channel and hit that like button. It will help in better ranking this video and eventually in growing this beautiful family. So without any further delay, let's jump into our visualization. In the first season of IPL, there was a constant battle between Shikhar Dhawan of Delhi Daredevils and Abhishek Nair of Mumbai Indians for the top position. But sooner Dhawan took the top spot. He also became the first uncapped player to score a 50 in IPL. In 2009 season, Swapnil Asnotkar of Rajasthan dethroned Dhawan from the top spot. In the next season, Dhawan regained his top spot. He became the first uncapped player to score 500 runs in IPL history. After two consecutive good seasons in IPL for Mumbai Indians, Ambati Rayudu rose to the top spot in 2011. He continued his good run in IPL season after season and became the first uncapped player to cross 1000 runs. His good performance in both IPL and domestic cricket helped him in getting national call against Zimbabwe series in 2013, where he made his ODI debut. In IPL 2015, Manish Pandey of KKR surpasses Rayudu and claimed the top spot. Surya Kumar Yadav, who was playing for KKR earlier in lower middle order, was brought by Mumbai Indians in 2018. And he started flourishing in the Mumbai setup. And produced 3 consecutive seasons with 400 plus runs as an uncapped player and became the highest uncapped run scorer in IPL history in 2020. And finally, after a long wait, he got the national call in 2021 against England in a T20I. So at the end of the first leg of IPL 2021, Surya is at the top with more than 2000 runs. He is followed by Nitish Rana and Manish Pandey. All three of them had already played for India. Among the currently uncapped player, Rahul Tripathi of KKR have the most runs. Now let's come to our question about the best franchise for young uncapped batsmen. For that, let's see some more stats. Here is a list of most uncapped players played for a team. You can see Rajasthan Royals is at the top with 59 uncapped players. But if we talk about the opportunities that these uncapped players get, Mumbai Indians is at the top with 12.79 matches per player, though Mumbai had used less uncapped players than 3 other teams. Opportunity combined with proper grooming of these players reflect on their performance. So here's the list of the teams with the most 30 plus scores by uncapped players. Clearly MI had the most 92 30 plus scores by uncapped players, which is far ahead from other teams, along with some other performance parameters like 30 plus per player, betting average, player of the match award won by uncapped players. So these stats show why Mumbai is not only the most successful IPL team with 5 titles, but also the best team for young uncapped players. Maybe that's the reason why they are the champions. What's your say on this? Do comment. And for more such cricket records and insights, subscribe to Think Stats.